I'm sure you recognize this R logo. It's from a Nissan GT-R, and this one is completely modified with different headlights. In fact, let me just back up a little and let me show you what the hell this is. So yes, this is it. This is the Infinity Gauntlet if it were a car. So let me show you the wheels. They're high profile wheels, and the unique thing about this whole body is that it's completely different from the standard one, and it's been modified by a company called Kuhl Racing. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing it. And yes, the whole body has been handcrafted. Look at that hood. Each and every curve is handcrafted, and they didn't just stick the regular body kit onto this car. They've added actually some larger fenders, a complete different bumper splitter. So it's basically a modified version of a modified GTR. Look at the design on the door. I mean, I don't like it, but I mean, I appreciate the hard work and the handicraft and the skill. I mean, I could never make these lines. So yeah, another thing is, luckily they've only ruined 2 cars, so this is one of them. So this is a very, very rare piece of jewelry basically that you can drive around in. Now this spoiler is nice, and you can see all the details on it. Look at those tail lights, look at the rear. Now at the rear, what they've done is added huge diffuser and exhaust pipes. Completely lowered it, and yeah, I wonder how it drives. I mean, it is very low. The tires are wide. I'm sure it handles a lot better now. But looking at the body, it's weird. It's strange. I mean, the only way to appreciate this car is just to keep it clean in your garage and drive it like for special events only, or car events. I wouldn't really drag race in this. It's too precious. So this car costs around 2 million dirhams. Now that means that it is 4 times the price of a Nissan GTR. Interior is pretty much stock. They haven't done much to it. All they've done is just changed a bit of the center console, made it golden just to match the exterior. But other than that, luckily they haven't messed with it. But the exterior, they really messed it up. So yes, this is basically a showpiece of a car. This is not for performance based. This is just for decoration. It's just cosmetic. But it's so rare and so unique, and I appreciate the hard work and the skill that went into destroying this car. So that's why I'm showing it to you. I have a lot of other videos of supercars and hypercars. You can have a look at my channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. If you like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Pagani, or just a regular Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, McLarens, they're all here. You can see some of the SLR in the corner. I have videos of those, and something like the Speedtail, the F40, the other cars. Just have a look at my channel.